Hey guys, so this is Sky Badger back. So this is the second how-to video, and we're in my how-to world. See, that's last time it was tunneling. Now my friend wants to know how to waterfall. So waterfalling is used for whenever you're super high up and you don't want to fall down and take a little fall damage. This is what waterfalling does. That's waterfalling all the way down. Because like in a waterfall, you would slowly fall down the waterfall, and the water just keeps rushing down. It's just like a hill. So then, this is how I'm gonna teach you guys. So yeah, it's gonna be a little hard at first, but first I'm just gonna crank to show you guys how to because this has to be high up. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna 1, 2, 3 walls, then 1, 2, 3 stair. Every 3 walls you place a new stair. And 1, 2, 3 stair. And then when you're low and you know you're not going to take fall damage, you can just drop. That shouldn't, because it's 3, shouldn't let you take fall damage. Once you get 4, okay. Now let's get back up here. So that's how I'm gonna teach you guys how to waterfall. But this time we're gonna go a lot higher, so it's a little longer. One, two, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. So you always want to place the third wall, and then the stair goes right to connecting that third wall to the next waterfalling. So if this video is helpful, please tell me and comment down how to should I do next. Like, what do you guys need help on in front of how to edit good my settings? I'm not that good at Fortnite. Okay, I'm gonna stop showing off now. Bye. Tell me what I should do next time.